Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. Let's continue with the chapter rational number. Exercise 8.1 we are doing question number 1. Let's check it out what the question is saying. List 5 rational numbers between the numbers which is given to us. Question number 1 is saying minus 1 and 0. Okay, we have to find out the 5 rational number. First of all, we have to convert these numbers into rational form, so we can say that minus 1 as upon 1, and or we can say comma 0 upon 1. Now we cannot find it out, the base is same. Okay, so once the base is same, we just have to check it out whether the numerator is there is a gap between the numerator, so we can find it out the 5 rational numbers, but over here there is no gap. Okay, there is no numbers between minus 1 and 0. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to multiply both equation number 1 means this one and this one by 10. Okay, why I am saying 10? So because the calculation will get easier. Okay, you can multiply it by 5 also, you can multiply it by 4 also, you can multiply it by 6 also. Okay, but to make the calculation easier, I used to multiply it by 10 or 20 or 30 like these numbers. Okay, so we can multiply 1 upon 1 multiplied by 10 upon 10, so it will get minus 10 upon 10, and 0 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, so we'll get 0 upon 10. Between minus 10 and 0, we can find it out, 10 upon 10 and 0 upon 10, we can find it out the 5 rational numbers. So we can say minus 9 upon 10, minus 8 upon 10, minus 7 upon 10, minus 6 upon 10, and minus 5 upon 10 are the 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. I hope so you guys understood. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 2. What is saying? Minus 2 and minus 1. Again, we can write it down in the numerator, okay, in the rational form. So we can say minus 2 and minus 1. We can write it on minus 2 upon 1 and minus 1 upon 1. We cannot find it out 5 rational number between minus 2 and minus 1. So what we have to do, we have to multiply it by 10. Again, minus 2 upon 1 multiplied by 10 upon 10. So we can say minus 20 upon 10. Minus 1 upon 1 multiplied by 10 upon 10. So we can say minus 10 upon, minus 20 is minus 10 upon 10. Okay, so we can write it down minus 20 upon 10 comma minus 10 upon 10. We can easily find it out the 5 rational numbers. We can write it down minus 19 upon 10, minus 18 upon 10, minus 17 upon 10, minus 16 upon 10, and minus 15 upon 10. Okay, and this is the answer. We got the 5 rational numbers between them. Okay, so now what we have to do, we have to find it out the rational numbers between minus 4 and minus 4 upon 5 and minus 2 upon 3. Over here you guys can check it out, the base is not same. Over here right now in these we are getting base as equal, so we can easily solve it out. Over here the base is not same, so first of all we have to take the LCM. So we can first of all write it on minus 4 upon 5 comma minus 2 upon 3. Okay, so what we have to do, we can take the LCM. It will get 5 3s are 15, because we can take it directly because 5 and 3 is not comes in a single table. 15, so we will get 3 multiplied by 4, we can divide it. Okay, and the answer, whatsoever answer we will get, we will multiply it by minus 4. So 5 3s are 15 and 3 4s are 12, minus 12 comma 3 5s are 15 means minus 10. So we got as minus 12 upon 15 comma minus 10 upon 15. Over here also you guys can check it out, between these two we cannot find it out 5 rational numbers. So what we have to do, we have to multiply these rational numbers by 10. So minus 12 upon 15 multiplied by 10 upon 10, so it will get minus 120 upon 150. Okay, minus 10 upon 15 multiplied by 10 upon 10, so we will get minus 100 upon 150. Okay, the base is same, so we can write it on minus 120 upon 150 comma minus 100 upon 150. So we can write it on minus 119 upon 150 118 upon 150, 117 upon 150, minus 116 upon 150, and minus 115 upon 150. Okay, these are the five rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, I hope so that you guys understood that how we have done it. Okay, if you are multiplying it by 5, you will get a different answer. If you are multiplying it by 6 or 7 or any other number, you will get the different answers. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now the last part of this, that is minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. Again, you can check it out, the denominator are not same. Okay, so I'm just erasing it. First of all, you can tell me what we can do. Please comment me that what we can do over here. What we can do, we can take the LCM, so we can write it on minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. So we can take the LCM as 3 2 ja 6, 2 3 ja minus 3, comma 2 2 ja 4. Okay, so we will get minus 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. Between minus 3 and 4, we can easily find it out 5 numbers. So we can find it out, we can write it down, minus 2 upon 6, comma minus 1 upon 6, comma, okay, we can say 0, again 0 will come. Okay, then we can say 0 upon 6. Okay, it will become 0 only, and 1 upon 6 and 2 upon 6. These are the 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. I hope so you guys understood. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care. Next question we will do in the next video. Okay, please do like and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.